If you love cheesecake and you love caramel apples, this recipe is about to become your new obsession. Creamy, sweet, buttery, and dripping with caramel. Let's start with the base. For the crust, we need 2 cups graham cracker crumbs, half a cup melted unsalted butter. Mix them together until it looks like wet sand. Press firmly into a baking pan. This will create that perfect buttery base. Now for the creamy filling. 16-ounce cream cheese softened. Beat until smooth and fluffy. Add sugar, eggs, vanilla extract. Mix until silky and smooth. Pour this over the crust. Now comes the apple and caramel magic. In part 2, we turn this into a bakery-style masterpiece. Welcome back. Now let's add the fall flavor everyone loves. We need fresh apples, peeled and chopped, brown sugar, cinnamon. Mix everything together and spread gently over the cheesecake layer. For the crumble, flour, brown sugar, butter. Mix until crumbly and sprinkle on top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. Let it cool completely. Now the best part, caramel sauce. Drizzle generously over each bar. Look at that creamy center, the soft apples, the buttery crumble, and that caramel drip. This dessert disappears fast. Follow for more bakery-style recipes made easy.